difference between phone number and contact. My phone was full of phone numbers. All the people went down and said, Mikayo, too sure. You are due for this, bro. We are solidly standing behind you. As I announced it, all of them liquidly sit down. Where Amos? Amos about talk. He cannot be around. My God will judge him. He don't say, bros, once you just see the hall, call me. I said, okay. I see hall. I call him. I said, bro, pick a date and call me. Till today, if will not a go. Where is Adindo? Adindo and Sauce. Adindo, where are you? Adindo told me, bro, because of you, I've never done it before. Because of you, I'll buy a table. Bring table to my office. I'll carry table, go give Adindo. Now you look up. He said, but there is some that are sold 5,000. I said, yes. He said, where they will stay? I said, and then they did back. He said, well, it's the same joke, and I just give me the 5K one. Ladies and gentlemen, she's even giving men excuse to say men are polygamous in nature. Power of money. So she understand, alright? I've done my part. Okay, so I'm apologizing for just 3 things that I talked about, and after that, we get into the show. Well, the second one, they say I should apologize to cross-dressers.
I want to beg you for one thing. Before I leave.
Okay, now this one.
This show, they call it Suicide Mission. If you have a suicidal thought here, please don't do it. But if you think it's very important that you must do it, I want to beg you, don't waste that life. Look for any of your friends that have been doing Yahoo and they never appear. Connect your life to him and make you use you do ritual. Be useful. Be useful. Be useful.
For this particular one, to everybody that has passed through suicidal thoughts, everybody that has passed through any need to have to take their life, they said this trivialized suicide and depression. I am sincerely sorry. I'm sincerely sorry. I don't mean it like that. You understand? It was just a play. You understand? Maybe I shouldn't have said gifts to a Yahoo boy. Maybe I would have just said something like, okay, calm down. Very soon, Nigerian problem will kill you. If Buhari does not do it, Agbado, Cassava, and the rest of them can do it. I sincerely apologize. I am sorry. So on a serious note, if you are going through anything, suicidal thought, please talk to someone. Talk to someone, talk to someone. We have all passed through one phase or the other in our life. Me that I'm talking to you, if I tell you what I've passed through, you will not believe. I cannot forget 2016, May 27th, around 11:14 a.m. My bank called me to wish me Happy Children's Day. I was first of all surprised because ordinarily how I take no banks, Children's Day, what they do is they send you text. But that day they called me, so I called to tell the woman, I said, why will you be calling me and wishing me Happy Children's Day? Am I a child? He said, okay, I'm not shout, it's because your account is looking childish. Out of anger, if you want to clap. Out of anger, I had to ask her, I said, what do you mean? What's the meaning of that? Do you think this is the only account I keep? Don't you know I use my UBA? So I cannot shout on a UBA, someone will call you, or will check whether you are still alive. Say because your account with them is dead. I have been there. I have been in a situation where you have to wait or look for somebody that will transfer 300 for you so that you can withdraw 1,000. I have been there. But who will kill you? Oh, this is a hot of the Lord. Forgive me, Jesus. don't know why I can't do this show for you. I've come somewhere to where I can talk. You understand? And I'm sure so many of you also didn't know that at the time when I came into Lagos, I was squatting with my friend who was squatting with his friend in Ikorodu. But God did it after some time. Things hard for that, my guy. He had to go back home. And I was elevated. I was not squatting under the real owner of the house. Only God can do this. In Ikorodu. Ikorodu. My Ikorodu people, are you here? Ikorodu, make some noise. For sure, they are always far at the back. Because anything about them is far. Ikorodu is far. Ikorodu that is far from even Ikorodu is safe. Ask them that they are here. For them to be here, they left since on Thursday. Am I called Ikorodu traffic now your mate? Ikorodu traffic is the only traffic where they sell nonsense things. Sell stove, small goat. And Ikorodu is a very rugged place. Very rugged place. Everybody there are rugged. Very rugged. At the time, Barrick community, their youth, they wanted to do this youth election. They go meet DPO. Say, make DPO give them boys. I mean, give them men. DPO say, make them sign undertaking. Say they will return the men. Alive and unscratched. Man, they go to the very anyhow place. Oh, thank you so much, Rising Heights. Thank you, Rising Heights. Please put your hands together for them. I'm sure when I don't drink tea, Abi. When I don't drink that, their coffee, right? You not really pay like that, not the shots. Boss are back, they don't give you a tea. They have, right? That's why they do like this. Because you really need to take that tea. It really works. Some of you know me before, you know how crowded my stomach is. And then it works. So thank you so much, man. Thank you. When they first call me, when they told me that this, I told wellness and all that, I was thinking it is the other one, which is the only work we have in this country. Bring 2 people, that will bring another 2 people. When you start that work, you will know that there are no 2 people in this country. I was telling you about how I suffered microdo and all that. It was so bad that at the time I started thinking of ritual. You understand? Whether to do ritual or to join Yahoo. But let me even ask, sorry, does ritual work? Who I will ask who be like saying don't do before? Bro, Alpha. Ritual they work, have you? But now you say more don't do. You know why they asked my friend that went to do ritual? Baba give her. It's not going to come and apologize again. Baba give her soap, just like they give every other person. Baba give her soap, in they use his own. But he notice, as in they use the soap, in just the fresh. Money not the enter.